Hello, welcome to Soul Glow Yoga and Wellness. I am Jatrine. I got to start with a story today. So I am going to put in the description box when this video actually starts. Okay, but I want to tell you about the inspiration for today. I have a fear of dentists. I scheduled a cleaning, but not with my regular hygienist today. And that was a mistake because this person was not as gentle as my hygienist was. Like, there was blood drawn. I left a little bump on my lip. It was not good. And during the process, I kept trying to calm myself down with my breath, using my breath to calm myself down. Typically, I use the 4-7-8 breathing pattern to just hack right into my parasympathetic nervous system and help me woosah. But today, I needed something to help focus me before I got to that point. And what I realized is sometimes we need a little prep breath, like a little breath that comes before the actual breath that we're going to rely on to help us calm down. So all that to say, we're going to do 3 separate breaths that are going to lead us up to the 4-7-8 breath. So by the time we get there, we are really nice and mellow and relaxed. You ready? Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do 3 separate breaths and building up to the breath that is going to help us relax. So I invite you to lie down if you like to practice this. You can even do this in bed. Listen to it before you go to sleep, and it will help you really calm down. Let's begin. All we're going to do is inhale fully, pause, exhale fully, pause. Inhale and fill up, pause, exhale and empty, pause. Inhale, fill up, pause, exhale, empty, pause. Do a few more just like this on your own. One more. Nice. So now we're going to inhale for a count of 4. Your count. Pause. Exhale for 4. Pause. Inhale for 4. Pause. Exhale for 4. Pause. Continue on your own. Take one more. Beautiful. And now we're going to inhale for 4. Pause for 7. Exhale for 8. Inhale 4. Pause for 7. Exhale 8. Continue on your own. Allow the belly to expand on each in-breath, soften on each out-breath. Take one more. And take a soft cleansing breath, deep breath in through your nose. Open the mouth wide and exhale. If your eyes are closed, dip the chin, blink the eyes open. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling so calm and relaxed right now. But I'm also feeling kind of clear-headed. It's all the oxygen that we took in. I hope that you also felt the shift in the best of ways, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.